Hello guys, in this video we will learn about the format string, and the string can be formatted in three different styles. The first one is by using the format specifier, and the second one is by using the format function, and the third one is by using fstring. So let's see one by one. So first of all we will see about the format specifier. Suppose we have declared the variable x equals to 10 and I want to display the value of x using the format specifier. So as we know that the x is treated as an integer, we can see by using the type function that what is the type of x. So it will display that it is of type integer. Okay, so the format specifier for the integer is %d. Okay, so there are a lot of format specifier available with Python. So %d is used for the integer, and %f is used for the float, %s is used for a string, and %c is used for character, and so on. So there are a lot of format specifier available. The same format specifier is also available with C programming language. So here I want to use the format specifier and display the message. So write down the %d inside the single quotes, and the variable is separated by %, and then write down the variable name. So I want to display the value of x, so the variable is x, and execute it. So you will get the 10. Also, if you are trying to display the message along with the %d, then write down the message here. Suppose I am writing here the value of x equals to and then %d. So this time this %d will be replaced by the value of x, right? So see the output. Here is the value of x equals to 10, right? Now I want to display more than one variable. Suppose here x equals to 10 and y equals to 20. And I want to display the value of x as well as the value of y using the single print. So here we can write the x equals to %d and y equals to %d. Clear? So this time we are using the two %d. The first %d is used for the x and the second %d is used for the y. Okay, so let's wait first. The value of x and value of y. This time the two variable we are using, so this two variable must be written in a brackets. If I will not use the bracket, then it will create a problem. Clear? So this is the x and this is y. So let's see, if I will remove this parenthesis and I'm trying to execute it, it will create a problem. Clear? So we have to use the proper syntax for the execution of the program, and you will get the right output. Clear? Here is the format specifier. Now I'm trying to use the format function. So x equals to, suppose again we have taken 10 and I want to print the value of x using the format function. So here is the message, the value of x equals to, and then we will use the placeholder. The placeholder is represented by a pair of curly braces, and then dot, and we have to use the format function, and inside that format we have to use the variable name. So in place of this curly braces, the value of x is to be inserted, and you will get the output, the value of x equals to 10, right? So run it and you will get the result. Clear? Now in the same way, if I am trying to display the value of two variable, then also we can use here the format function and we will get the value of x and y. So here is the y is equals to, and then again curly braces. And here I need the two variable. First curly braces will be replaced by the first variable, and the second curly braces will be replaced by the second variable. So here you will get the output like this, right? Also you can use the positional parameter. Suppose here the first argument is treated as the 0th argument and the second argument is treated as the 1 argument. So you can also put here the number, and by default the index value of this variable is started with 0. So for the 0th placeholder, the x represents the 0th placeholder and this 1 index number represents y. So the value of y will be inserted at this place and the value of x will be inserted at this place, and you will get the same result. But if you will change the index position, here is 1, and if I will write over here 0, then the index number of x is 0. So wherever we have used the 0, at that place the value of x will be inserted. So this time the value of y is equals to 10, because the value of x will be inserted at this place and the value of y will be inserted at this place. So you will get this result. Hope you understand it. Now I am trying to use the f string. So in place of the format function, I can use here the f string, and for implementation of f string we will use the symbol f and then the message. So here I want to display the message, the value of x equals to, and then inside this curly braces directly you have to write the variable name. So I'm just writing here the variable name, so it looks more easy to understand that in place of this x, the value of x will be inserted. So directly it will print the value of x equals to 10. Okay, so there is no need to use the dot and so on. And if I want to display the value of y also, then you just have to write here the message y equals to and then pair of curly braces, and inside this curly braces you write down the y, right? And you will get the result in this way. If you like this video, then please subscribe my channel.